Bayleaf Kitchen is a nonprofit kids cooking and farming summer camp. We bring the kids together, we teach them about seasonal eating, where their food comes from. We get to go up to a farm and harvest the vegetables and meet the farm animals, and we cook and we eat and we have a lot of fun. When the kids come up to the farm, they get to meet the farmers and they get to see where their food is grown in a sustainable way that's not hurting the land as much and not just mass-produced and really running down our environment. We're trying to teach kids to have a positive experience with food. We hope that every kid, they have this wonder in them, like they want to know where their food's coming from, they want to meet their farmers, they want to taste new vegetables and fruits and cook with it and share with their friends and family. We really try to empower them. For example, when we're shopping in the farmers market, we give the kids the coins and let them make the choice about what they want to buy. When they come back to the kitchen, we'll work with whatever they purchased. For me, the most important people are the kids and that they're learning, and I think they've received it very, very well. I definitely think it's important that kids learn how to cook and where food comes from. I think there's so many diet-related diseases that kids are affected with these days, and I think it's really important that they make this connection when they're young and start to build the positive relationship with food now, so that as they grow they can continue to explore and eat more healthy food. Hopefully we go to a healthier community, healthier kids, healthier eating, and delicious eating, and we help heal the world together.
Are you having fun, Carol?
Yeah, so much fun.